Welcome to Fair Underlay. We produce floor underlays. Simply fair. In 2020, Fair Underlay, as the first Polish company, joined two prestigious organizations associating the largest European floor manufacturers, EPLF and MMFA. We have over 18 years of experience in production, and we deliver our products to over 24 countries in Europe and beyond, supplying more than 30 DIY brands. Our production facility covers an area of over 20,000 square meters. We produce 25 million square meters of floor underlays yearly. Our team counts 150 employees, and in 2021, we will achieve the production capacity of 5,000 rolls of floor underlays per day. We have developed over 15 different types of material composites for the production of floor underlays, with various functional and installation properties. Our production process is 100% on-site. We do not cooperate with external companies in the production process. From the beginning, we have focused on responsible waste management. Our own recycling facility converts 100% of technological waste from the production of plastics in the form of regranulate for reprocessing. DIY chains develop their own brands. Their customers perceive such goods as confirmed quality and cost-effective products due to the purchasing power of the chain. They expect that there is always a reputable producer behind such goods, and we are this producer. A starting point is always to understand your needs. Drawing on our experience, we can build a unique offer dedicated to you as we design customized products. We design floor underlays, choosing the product's composition concerning its width and length, its color, packaging system, and the delivery system. We check and test the designed products. We have established our own research laboratory, which not only ensures constant control of key parameters of manufactured materials, but also conducts research and development works on new technologies and composites used in the production of innovative packaging materials and floor underlays. We help you obtain the appropriate certificates, approvals, and prepare comprehensive technical documentation. Our products can also contain patented solutions that are unique on the market scale, such as RWS barrier. That's not all. We also support you in marketing communication, consulting, assets, know-how, merchandising, training. We prepare catalogs, displays elements, and technological documents of products. And we do not forget about the necessary graphic materials for your brand, visualization, rendering, and even logos. We share our knowledge and experience in communication, displays, and sale of floor underlays. We can develop a simplified communication system based on pictograms, simple and intuitive for the end user. How do we work? We check the customer needs, the possibility of displaying products, how much space they can allocate, what the storage systems look like. We analyze everything that is needed to show and sell underlays in an attractive way. We prepare a display system based on the use and price of the product. As a permanent element of the offer, we also assure product and sale training for your employees. We conduct them in English and German. Why us? You get an individually designed product, tested in our laboratory, manufactured in Poland, and shipped to your designated locations, according to the agreed schedule. We provide marketing support. We share our experience and knowledge. We understand that our business growth is possible only when we support the growth of our customers' business. Being simply fair, we are focused to become a trusted partner. We know that trust must be earned, and many of the biggest ones have already trusted us. Let's get to know each other. Let's talk about your needs. Simply fair.